Hi guys, Lynn Kenning here again and welcome back to my channel. So today's video guys ay yung opening ng Christmas tree dito sa Rockwell Power Plant. So ayan, naabangan na natin. So maraming mga personalities dito like Santa Claus. O ayan, diba? And of course, dahil tinitingnan ko siya, kumaway siya. Diba? And meron pa ring isa dito guys. So meantime, habang inaabangan natin siya, sandali lang, nawawala siya. Saan ka na? Ayan, eto na siya! Si Mr. Panda. O, di ba? Kinamayan tayo. Lakas ng appeal natin. Charot. So, ayan guys, iikot ko muna kayo and sa mga bawat counter, nandoon yung magma-mob dance. So, tingnan natin yung mob dance later guys. Ang saya nito. Ayan, ang excited na nga ang lahat. And then, sila yung mga mob dance guys. So sa amin, sa probinsya namin guys, like lahat ng bayan doon, nagkakaroon syempre 'di ba ng opening of lights. So iniikot namin 'yon. So dito naman sa Rockwell guys, yung Christmas tree ang meron nating opening of lights. Kaya pala, sabi ko, bakit walang lights? Sabi ko gano'n. Parang ang lungkot naman kasi walang lights. O kasi nga merong opening of lights. And eto na nga yung mob dance guys.
together to make memories under the lights. And this year is extra special as Rockwell marks 30 years of creating moments that bring joy to our community.
And tonight, the glow of Christmas will shine brighter than ever from the trees. Here in the mall, this beautiful tree over here, to the lights across our towers, the entire Rockwell Center will be sparkling with holiday magic and joy of 30 wonderful years.
Oh, and Rockwell, we're talking about so now, of course, the celebration is happening here. Let's give a big wave and one cheer to everyone joining us over the Plaza Garden. Indeed. All right, before we light up the Rockwell Center, I want to hear everyone here. I want to hear from you guys. Who here loves Christmas? Yeah, wait for the band. You guys love Christmas? Camera kids.
And there you go, guys. I hope nag-enjoy kayo. And igagawin ko yung tulay sa mga hindi pa nakakapunta dito. So, don't forget to like, comment, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Mwah!